Thank you all. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, members of the honor flight, I am privileged to be here with you today to convey on behalf of the citizens of Colorado our pride in those veterans who embarked today on this special trip to our nation's capital. I want to take a moment to honor and thank those who so willingly gave service to our nation in its hour of greatest need. Over 60 years ago, people who had never left their home states left their homes and their families and headed to war across the Atlantic and the Pacific to defend our country. The service you provided us and the rest of the world can never be repaid. You've been called the greatest generation for a reason. When the call came, you answered. When America said, "We need you," you were there. And through years of war, you displayed valor and honor. Your actions changed history, preserved democracy, and ensured our freedom and the freedom of future generations. As young men and women, even before you went to war, you'd lived through a Great Depression. You came home from war and took advantage of the GI Bill. You led us through the greatest economic expansion in American history. You brought us through the Cold War. You raised your families and became civic leaders, giving our country direction and a sense of purpose. But when we call you heroes, you shake your heads. To you, you simply did what had to be done, what a grateful nation asked of you. You tell us that those who didn't make us back and how they gave their lives so that we could all be here today. A little more than a week today, May 8th, will mark the 64th anniversary of VE Day. Pearl Harbor, Normandy, Iwo Jima, Midway, the Battle of the Bulge, Paris, Berlin, Saipan, Roosevelt, Churchill, Stalin, Truman. These names all now belong to history, a history that you all are so much a part of. The example that you set continues to inspire us. So for all that you have done, I very much appreciate the opportunity to be with you today and wish you the safest journey, and thank you on behalf of all of the people of Colorado.